Welcome to AMT Auto Leeds. Recent Retailer Awards 2022 Customer Experience finalist. Came third out of 13,500 dealers in the UK. So we're in the top 1%. And here we have the Golf R in silver white metallic, stunning colour, panoramic roof, Pretoria wheels. It's a fantastic colour combination. The car came in part exchange in absolute superb condition. Chap that our buyer, Jerry, who's actually sold many cars to over the years, part exchanges and bought his many vehicle off of Jerry. Car's lovely. It literally came in like this. Very unique colour. Beautiful condition. No scuffs or marks on the interior at all. The alloys suit the car very well. Take him in the car. You can see the mileage there. No damages or anything like that. It's in lovely condition. Someone's going to get themselves an absolute beautiful car. Please don't hesitate to call us on the main number, email, live chat or text. We're happy to help. So we look forward to your call. Thank you.